Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the best settings for gaming on the OPPO Find X8. Alright, so let's begin. So let's open up the games first. Okay, in here we can see how many hours we played. If we click right in here, we have the gaming data, game captures, manage my games, and the settings. In here you can select the game toolkit. I suggest you should enable it right in here. We have also the do not disturb thing. We should enable it, and in here we don't need to change anything. I assume. Now we can go into the My Games, and now let's simply open up the game that we are interested in. And thanks to the game mode, we will be able to change a few things. So, at first, if you are using the game that have available settings that you can adjust, simply open it up. And now click on sound and display. In that case I'm using the game called Asphalt 8, and in here we have possibility to change some things. So for example, below we have this bar with the visual quality, and here we can select do we want better quality or the better performance. So we need to simply now select on which level we want it. So for example, if we go to the left side, alright, that's the max, I think. Yeah, so now we will have the better performance. Also we can make sure that high frame rate is enabled right in here, and now also click on yes, I need to restart my device before it will start working. Okay, now it should. Now it should work. Okay, another ad, so we need to wait. I don't want any of those games. Alright, but now we can open up the performance mode, which is right in here on the left side. Let me also adjust maybe the brightness so you will see what I'm actually doing. Alright, and now we have this balanced mode right in here, and also the pro gamer mode. So if we select it, now we will have the best performance possible, but also the temperature might increase a little bit. So for the gaming you should use all of those settings, and now you should have simply the best FPS possible. Unfortunately, when you click out of that bar, it minimalizes, so I cannot show you how many FPS we will have on the game when we are simply playing. But if you are using the OPPO, you should make sure that you're using the pro gamer mode, and if you have that possibility to change some settings on your game, you should select the best performance mode. If you, of course, if you want to play with the most FPS as possible, or do you like the better quality, so you can simply adjust it to your own preferences. But you should enable the pro gamer mode, which is right in here. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.